If you fail, it doesn't mean you are stupid. It just means you're learning, growing, and figuring things out. Everyone fails. Every successful person has faced failure. At some point, what matters is what you do next. Do you give up or do you try again? Failure is not a sign of weakness. It's a step towards success. The only real failure is refusing to try. So don't let one mistake make you doubt yourself. Keep going, keep learning, and prove to yourself that failure is just part of the journey.